to Mokshi's Education. Today we are going to discuss the living world test 2 MCQ questions. First one is match the column 1 with column 2. Column 1 A OAC, B OALIS, C angiosperm, D monocotyledon. Next column 2. First one family, second one class, third one division, fourth one order. See once observe. A OAC AC వస్తే అది ఫ్యామిలీకి చెందుతుంది అనమాట. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ ఫర్ దట్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్ బి OALIS is order, fourth one. Next angiosperm. So here angiosperm means division. Next monocotyledon belongs to class. Okay. Next second one, the range of known and described species is option A 1.5 to 1.8 millions, option B 1.6 to 1.7 millions, option C 1.7 to 1.8 millions. Next option D 1.8 to 1.9 millions. So here correct option is C. So mainly scientists are 1.7 to 1.8 million species are described. Among them 1.2 millions are animals. Next 0.5 millions are plant species. Okay. So next third one. Scientific names are based on the agreed principles and the criteria for plants. So it is provided in means. So if you want to give name to the plant, we follow some rules. So option A ICBN rules, option B ICNB rules, option C ICZN rules, option D ICTB rules. So here asking for plants. So correct option is A ICBN rules. ICBN means International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. If we want to give name to the plant, we follow ICBN rules. So B here see ICNB. So International Code of Nomenclature of Bacteria. Next C ICZN means International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. Next D ICTB means International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. Next fourth one. Each statement in key is called. So here option A lead, option 2 couplet, option C analytical key, option D all. So key is a one taxonomical aid. So actually key has two contracting characters. So these are two contracting characters together called couplet. So each statement in a couplet is called lead. So that's why correct answer is A. Okay. So next fifth one. Statement A. An order included related classes. Statement B. Families like Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are included in the order Polyvoniales, mainly based on the floral characters. So first one, statement B is correct and statement A is wrong. Next second one, both the statement A and B are correct. Next third one, statement A is correct and statement B is wrong. Next fourth one, both the statement A and B are wrong. See statement A, see once. An order include related classes. So here wrong means An order includes related families. Related families. So that's why statement A is wrong. Statement B is right. So which option is correct here? First one. Statement B is correct and statement A is wrong. Okay. So next, sixth one. So which of the following is an incorrect matching? They are asking incorrect matching. Botanical gardens, collection of living plants for reference. 2. Museums, preserved plants and animal specimens. 3. Herbariums, storehouse of collected plants and animals. Fourth one, zoological parks, wild animals are kept in protected environments. They are asking incorrect matching. Botanical gardens, they are helpful. Collection of living plants for reference, correct only. Museum, preserved plants and animal specimens, correct. Herbarium, storehouse of collected plant and animals. This one is wrong. So means herbarium only present plants. Storehouse of collected plants are present, not the animals. Okay. Next. So seventh one. Match the column 1 with column 2. Next column 1 A. Royal Botanical Garden. B. So Indian Botanical Garden. C. So National Botanical Research Institute. Column 2. First one Howrah. Second one Lucknow. Third one K. See here. Column 1A, Royal Botanical Garden, is a famous botanical garden. Where it is located? It is located in England at Key. So that's why correct answer is third one. For B, Indian Botanical Garden is located in Howrah. Okay, first one. Next, National Botanical Research Institute is located so in Lucknow. Next, 8th one. Each organisms are placed in museums after collecting, killing, and pinning. First one, A. Plants. B. Arachnids. C. Arthropoda. D. Insects. So here, correct answer is insects. So when you are collecting insects, first killing, then pinning. Okay. Next, 9th one. So mark the correct statement. First one, only living organisms grow. B, plants grow only up to certain age. C, the growth in living organisms is formed inside. Option D, all of these. So which one is correct one? C is the correct option. So here the growth in living organisms is formed inside. Option A, C ones. Only living organisms grow. Not only grow living organisms, non-living organisms also grow. For example, mountains, rocks, they also grow accumulation of material on the surface of the body. Next B, plants grow only up to certain age. So it is wrong. Plants grow throughout the lifespan. Only animals grow up to certain age. Okay, next 10th one. The smallest unit of classification is option A, family, option B, order, option C, genus, option D, species. Which one is correct one? B. So the smallest unit of classification is a species. It is also known as the basic unit of classification is a species. When you are observing 7 taxonomy categories are there now. So first one is a species, second one is a genus. So next the third one is family. Third one is family. Next fourth one is order. Fifth one is class. Next division. Next kingdom. So here, which is the basic unit or smallest unit of classification is species. Okay. Next 11th one. Which of the following statement regarding universal rules of nomenclature is wrong. Option A. The first word in a biological name represented with genus. B. The first word denoting the genus starts with a capital letters. C. Both the words in a biological names when handwritten are separately underlined. D. Biological names are generally in Greek and written in italics. So they are here asking wrong statement. So which one is wrong statement? Option D. So because biological names are generally in Latin, not Greek. They are generally in Latin. Okay. Next, 12th one. Order of mango is. 12th one is order of mango is. Option A. Dicotyledon. Option B. Anacardiaceae. Option B. Sapindiales. Next, option C. Sapindiales. Next, option D. Monocotyledon. So which one is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. So order of mango is Sapindiales. So here dicotyledon and monocotyledon are the classes. Next, Anacardiaceae is family. Okay. So next, 13th one. The closest category of a family is option A, phylum. Next, option B, class. Option C, order. Option D, species. Correct answer is order. So means the closest category of family is order. Next, another one, 14th one. Who pioneered the correctly expected definition of a biological species? Option A, Ernest Mayr. Option B, Jan Ray. Option C, Hutchinson. Option D, Bentham and Hooker. So here correct option is A, Ernest Mayr. But here Jan Ray, he was first proposed to species word. So Bentham and Hooker, who is Bentham and Hooker? So he was the naturally classified organisms. So Hutchinson also one of the classification scientists. Okay. Next, 15th one. The word systematic is derived from the systema, so which is A. So systema. Option A, Latin word. Option B, Greek word. Option C, English word. Option D, none of the above. So here systema is which word? Latin word. Okay, 16th one. So match the column 1 with the column 2. Column 1, indica. A. B. Anacardiaceae. C. Sapindiales. D. Angiosperm. E. Dicotyledon. Column 2. First one order. Second one family. Third one species. Fourth one class. So fifth one division. See when you are taking mango scientific name, Mangifera indica. So here indica represented to species. So means third one, third option for A. Next to be Anacardiaceae family. Anacardiaceae is the family. Next to Sapindiales order for this first one. Next to Angiosperm. Angiosperm is a division. Next to Dicotyledon is a class. Okay. Next to 17th one. Felidae and Canidae are included in Carnivora is A. Carnivora is belongs to first option E family, second B order, C class, D division. So correct answer is B order. Felidae means cat families. Canidae means so dog families. Both are included in Carnivora. So they are belongs to order. Okay. Next 18th one. Match the column 1 with the column 2 and choose the correct option. Column 1, A, phylum. B, order. Next C, class. D, genus. E, family. Next column 2. First one, Hominidae. So next second one, Homo. Third one, Chordata. So next fourth one, primate. Next fifth one, Mammalia. See once, phylum. So here phylum. Phylum, Chordata. Next order. Order. So which one here order? Primate. Primate means fourth option. Next class. Class is mammalians. Genus is Homo. Family Hominidae. See once observe here. Which option is correct? So fourth one is the correct option. They given here human beings. So taxonomic categories they are. Human being scientific name is Homo sapiens. So here Homo is so genus. Next sapiens is a species. Okay.